Well, there's the presidential seal. There is the White House. And inside the White House is the President of the United States, Donald Trump.
And why would you be bringing that up, Ainsley?
He joins us now by phone. Thank you so much for being with us, Mr. President.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Trumpito out here in these streets. I know that it's old news, but it's not old news to me because I hold grudges. The Philadelphia Eagles refuse to come to the party, so I'm throwing my own fucking party. It's Trumpa-Jam. Trumpa-Jam 2018. It's lit. It's headlining by Tekashi 69. And guess what? Fuck the Philadelphia Eagles. I got the real Eagles to come through. Yeah, Hotel California. It's going to be lit. It's going to be super lit. Excuse me? Oh, they're not coming either? Well, Tekashi's still coming. And he has the blicky with the stiffy. Okay? So if you want to have a real good time, come to Trumpa-Jam 2018. Tickets are still on sale. Call 1-800-223-9797 if you're interested. As for Ebro, tell him to put some more cocoa butter in his beard. It's your boy, Trumpito. I'm out here in these streets. You know, I don't take no for an answer. You know what I'm saying? This is episode 114. Uno cuatro. We will no longer be speaking Spanish in this country. I'm building the wall. Understand that. I'm the boss Don. Il Duce. Do the fucking drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, it's episode 114. Bodega Boys in the building, most dangerous podcast in the world. Yeah. Coming to you live from, excuse me, 220 West 18th Street. Sorry, man. You know, it is early in the morning. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Don't judge. How come you let fucking Rick get away with Rick and Morty? People love that shit. I do this shit now. Niggas want to put me in rehab. You know what the fuck is going on? Episode 114, 114. Just like a block in Harlem that's rapidly getting covered by white people. Yeah. Now you got trees on it. No more dope fiends. You might have like a bagel shop at the end.
Oh my God, there's a rat.
Oh. As always, it's your boy, Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Say Fat Like Cheerio, aka Kiss Jasper Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher Butler's Gully, so but that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Rondo. I don't even know her. Mikhail going off. Hey, 1994, Nueva York, the Juve boss, MC looking good people pulling up with 40 with your Jordy, aka Don't in the Uber pool. I don't know you. Also, I cancelled the car, didn't show up, and I got paid $10. You're bugging, man. He's not even picking up his phone. What's going on here? Uber support. But then they refunded. You know, you feel a little better, you be all right. The original plus one got plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Shout out to the young man who said his girl tries to fast forward through the AKAs every week. Guess what? We were gonna give you $1,000 in bodega bucks because your girl is hard headed. Now you get nothing. You get nothing. The Ghost of Mufasa. Young Chakuli out the coonery, AK to the bone, left hander leave for the Yankees. K Low K.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Vice Makuzaka, 3 Phone Joes, Jesus S. Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute. Leonardo the Trap, yo, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurry. Yeah. Sometimes when it doesn't load, I'll reload it and keep reloading it until it loads. That's how dedicated I am to this Pinot shit, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Port Up. DJ Woolite, aka Listener, Watch FM. Up next, you got 6 hours of It's Serrani.
Oh, shit, wow.
Forgot about him, didn't you? The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain. No, you can't. Don't put me in Tupperware. The Human Meme, word to jaw, Young Era on the racist provocateur, Henrik Bud calls, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio can't see me, don't even look, man. Vladimir Buffin, the Human Word is melted in your mouth, Mr. Bex on deck, Ricky Tiki Scarby, Greg Popovich, more to say with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but they get the cucumber. Don't try to juice it, man. The juice is oppressed, but your boy never is. I am the Arc Damage, the Dun Dada Gadoosh, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peck on the Fashion Nova Cast Nova. Right. We made cent, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change you mean. Big money wine or Bitcoin, either way. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one. Top left, man's is Marv. Trailer Rizzuto, holy cow. Mrs. Sophomores, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D. David Yerman. These expensive, these is red bottom, these is bloody shoes. Smokeem Noah, still getting the Nick checks. You know how it is. Edger Coonanen, just the coolest serial killer you ever see. AKA the Junior, Energy God Junior. Come sit down, pound me charge.
Sit on it.
Call me Petco, because I got your bitch on freeze. Mr. Chopping that street, easy bad breeze like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asian addict, crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. Lamarina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor, AKA your problematic bae. Just put regular gas inside your car. I mean, you know what I'm saying? If it works for your grill, it works for your Audi. What's good?
Nah, you know 87. Yo, it's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa! You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, I hop you fucking curve, hit the dog, nigga, keep it moving, I don't give a fuck. A.k.a. I ain't no fucking baby, I fucking mang. A.k.a. check the guest list again, nigga. I'm on the right there, right next to, I don't even know who they, but you know who the fuck I am. We passed that. I'm next to whoever the fuck. It's me. Let me in there before I fucking give you $150, man. A.k.a. CC Dad Bathia. A.k.a. I went to Garden State Plaza and bought the whole GameStop, nigga, the store for my kids because I'm the fucking dad of the year. A.k.a. Bitch Smack Biombo. A.k.a. Dick in your baby Motumbo. You know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now. You understand me? Huh? Bring me 20 Godari or you never come in this pussy again. A.k.a. Barlow Santana. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the Accord. Damn, that bumper's looking hurt. A.k.a. the Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy. A.k.a. yo, man, listen, swipe my card again, man. There's definitely money on it, man. I just called Steve in for the wire, bro. Put the plastic bag on that shit. You're embarrassing us both, man. You know who the fuck I am, bro? I'm on TV 4 nights a week, you fucking dickhead. A.k.a. Romeo Santos, so Zanny. Let me black out. Tu favorito, mami. A.k.a. Light Now Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you're broke ass in your vibe. Yeah, we buying this shit by the fucking QP now, nigga. You know what I'm saying? So raise the stakes, ball bags. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. A.k.a. Feel the ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos mind, especially the Milky Way of discharge. Ooh. They say it smells bad, but I love it. A.k.a. Frino Messi MVP of Gelato. A.k.a. Zaniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Joe Hookah. I dare you.
He dares you.
To smoke with me.
That's a smoke off.
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? I got the old flavors. I got cherry. I got grape and shit. I got that weird red shit that they just put and they don't tell you what it is. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Ben Boston. It's your boy. My hands are gifted. I will replace your spinal fluid with Freon so you can fucking chill, my nigga, because you've been talking a little brazy right now, and I'm nice with the scalpel, if you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga. You know who it is. It's the Zen, man. A.k.a. Rico Sabroso. A.k.a. Baby Dupo 2 for 5. This guy garbage down the way. A.k.a. Nino Brown should have called it down. A.k.a. live from Martinez Grocery Corp. on East Tremont. It's the East Tremont Stevie B. I want to be the one your TT is fucking. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. from across the pond, mate. You know what I'm saying? It's some more rock stars left anymore, mate. You know what I'm saying? I can't even talk anymore. Pretty soon I'll be sounding like Ozzy Osbourne when you interview me, but fuck it. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. At La Marina, wiggling my toes in fake sands. You know what I'm saying? Pulling up from 40, it's your boy Bormelos Anthony. For 3. Bang! If you see me at Target putting 6 jackets on each of my kids and walking out without paying for them shits, mind your motherfucking business. Approach me like an Ursine mammal, nigga, or you will get clawed to death. You understand me? I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off brake fluid and ShopRite brand fruit punch soda. Talking about, I sniffed all the coke. Hey, where's Julio? You know what I'm saying? Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. ¿Qué fue? Dime a ver, pariguayazo. Llegó el hijo de FIFA, el motor de este vehículo. Cuando yo andaba desacatado, me llamaban hipo y loco. Yo vivía de las mujeres porque les rompí su toto. Recuérdate que la planta soy yo, tu favorito, mami. Episode 114. Donald Trump cannot rip me apart from my family at the border. I will smack the shit out of you, my nigga.
Hey. That sounded a little bit like the Hispanic monkey. I was like, oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Is he back?
Yeah.
Summer blockbuster. Jamie Burkhouse. Yeah. Shout out to Other Things. Shout out Nas got the new album out. I don't know if you can listen to it. Because the shit with Khalees, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
it's like if you cancel Double XL or Triple XL?
Double XL.
Double XL is the magazine you beat your meat to, right?
Yeah.
Triple XL is the song you beat your mate to.
Yeah. It's the other way. The other way around. But yeah, you got it.
Oh man, everyone's getting canceled. Who's a problematic rapper?
Jay-Z, because he did that picture naked with Beyonce.
He cheated with Beyonce. He cheated on Beyonce. That's why he had to take that picture.
The naked picture.
Niggas went to the finest glamour photo studio in Dayton, Ohio and took that shit.
Yeah. It's funny because now they're doing like regular. It's funny because I feel like Jay-Z was like, "Yo, I'm too cool to do regular shit, nigga.
We gonna do all this regular shit.
We're gonna do all this regular shit. You getting naked, stupid. You're gonna wear this Oxford unbuttoned behind me while you hold my belly, stupid.
They're gonna be in like a fucking matching airbrush, his and her, like I'm Boo, he's Queen,
That's
shit,
right.
pointing at each other.
You know what I'm saying?
This is the fucking the Chattanooga fair
You know what
shit.
I mean? On the fucking boardwalk and shit. He's like, I'm gonna win you a stuffed animal, B.
You go see Jay-Z on the train with
That's right.
mad fucking balloons, like he's going to a fucking New York City public school birthday party and shit. Like, yo,
I feel uncomfortable nude.
I'm gonna keep on my jorts.
I have anxiety.
You know what it is, babe? When I show the little hove, I get nervous.
You know what I'm saying? It's okay
I
if
can't have my mule out there. What if Blue walks in?
Can I wear
I'll never
long
forgive
johns?
myself.
I'll wear nude cut long johns. Is that okay?
If I had to tell my secrets to another woman, I'd never be all right with that.
Hey.
Could I just get egg whites because I'm looking a little fat in the gut? You know what I'm
on.
saying? I'm working on my calisthenics.
I'm not trying to
It's your boy.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to get addicted to opiates like Kanye off the lipo. You know what I'm saying?
Jay, what are you talking about? Oh, man. Shout out to Hov and Beyonce.
Yeah, man, they're out
whatever
here.
rich shit they're doing right now. They're probably just watching Maury and shit.
Yeah, no.
Watching Maury on like 150-inch TV. Just
That's
like,
what
oh,
rich
shit.
people do. That's what rich people do. They get
Beyonce
super
think the
rich.
shit is real. She's like, that's really his kid.
Oh my god.
That's real. How she slept with 10 people don't know which baby is.
Oh my god.
Good shit.
Oh man.
Did you go to the Kanye listening shit yesterday? Did you pull up underneath the bridge and things?
No. Hell no. Kanye is officially canceled. It's over for Kanye. He's gone off the deep end way too many times. His last 2 albums were trash. It was this one, then Life of Pablo, and then Yeezus in that order.
Yeah.
Backwards. Yeah, those last 3 were like I slam dunked those shits into the paper shredder. I'm glad my paper shredder has a CD shredding option because I used it for that. You know what I'm saying? I went and I bought a hard copy just to shred it in a shredder because the shit was so trash. So he's over. It's over. He's like R. Kelly canceled. Like he's canceled.
I mean, R. Kelly's canceled until you're drunk, and then you hear that shit. You're like, oh shit, step in the name of
No
God.
shit.
Shit ain't that bad.
If you're over 50, then yeah. R.
If
Kelly's
you
never canceled.
hear Fiesta, you're gonna be like, oh shit, this shit bangs. Especially if it's the one with Hov.
I'll just switch it over to the D Block freestyle where they would throw.
Well, I mean, if you're not DJing, if you're like at a barbecue or some shit.
No, I'll DJ. I'll run up to the booth and be like, nigga, put on the fucking D Block freestyle. R. Kelly's canceled. It's not the best of both worlds. Fuck out of here.
That was a good album, though.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you man, Drake tried to come out with the Degrassi reunion video. He was like, yo, fuck that. Pusha got bars for me, but yo, do you remember your childhood? Think about that. Don't think about my child. Think about your childhood, man. Think about when that kid shot me. If they were being real, shouldn't Drake have come to the high school reunion in a wheelchair?
Yeah.
Like if we're gonna be a stickler for continuity, like how did he come in walking in?
Maybe he got surgery. Maybe he got, you know what I'm saying?
That's not. There was no stem cell research in the Degrassi universe.
You know what I'm saying?
Because Wheels never had surgery, so how come he's allowed to have surgery?
Damn.
See, can't have it that way. See, it's like the Marvel universe. You just can't have shit happen in Doctor Strange and doesn't have in Deadpool too. No, you gotta keep it together.
Yeah, then the Marvel and Stan Lee gets upset.
You know what I'm saying? Don't make me get upset with the MCU, which also sounds like a credit agency that takes forever to cash your checks.
It does.
MCU. I'm like, yo, my kid needs brain cancer treatment. They're like, yo, it's gonna be like a week.
If you're at MCU, let me not even say it.
MCU, the best jeans and sneaker store in America. Shout out to Chicago. We just came back from Chicago, ripped it down. You know what it is.
The Chi-Town.
Shout out to O'Hare Airport, where apparently you can live for 8 hours. Shout out to Victor. Me and him, we became feral in this airport. We were setting traps for small rodents and things. Eating
Awful.
that.
Terrible.
Nigga had to get the prison box from John, but I don't know how you pay $9 for 2 hard-boiled eggs, 4 almonds, 3 grapes, some Bluebell cheese, and some crackers. That was just enough shit. I could just like start doing dips at gate 6 and shit. Your man Victor was washing his drawers in the bathroom like, yo, this is my territory, nigga. Like, niggas is taking over shit. I had all the fucking airport pillows around my neck. I was like, king of this shit.
I found rollers though, so I was all right.
There you go.
There you
go. And then like, shout out
coconut oil, Hudson News and shit.
Shout out to our driver who just gunned it to fucking. Shout out to I-99 where almost died on like a tornado and shit. It gunned it to St. Louis. Wow. I never thought in my whole life. There's no reason to go to St. Louis. There's not. If you're not Nelly,
Nelly left.
Nelly left.
Nelly left.
I think if you go back and look at when Nelly left and then look at the downturn of the economy of St. Louis,
absolutely,
everything went down. The Air Force Ones wasn't selling no more. You know what I'm saying? The what is it? What's his name? Apple bottom jeans.
Yeah,
that's big.
That was big.
In the future, they're gonna mention apple bottom jeans during Black History Month the same way they mention George Washington Carver and Peanuts. It was that important to Black people.
Yeah. T-Pain was
apple bottom jeans,
boots with the fur. You know what I'm saying?
Some of y'all dress like that right now. Okay, that song came out a long time ago, and you know what? You need to leave Florida.
Stop.
Anyway,
you know what I'm saying? And but nah, he shout out to him. You know what I'm saying? He bounced out of there. But when he did leave, he crippled the economy by taking all the St. Lunatics with him. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, I think City Spud is still there. He's like comptroller now or some shit. Yeah.
The one that doesn't talk is like the fucking head of the police department and shit. They're like, do you have any comment on the shooting that happened? He's just like, don't wear a half a hockey mask, my nigga. I'm the black fan of the opera. You think I should be doing this shit?
Nelly tried to do big things. Did he get, I think he was getting money from like Gerber or big hospitals and shit because he was wearing the Band-Aids.
Oh, God.
He wanted to make it cool, but if you go to like a hospital, you don't have proper health insurance. A Band-Aid's like $700 for your copay.
Literally.
So you got to be careful. They call it like an adhesive medicine or some shit.
I got hit by a car and they charged me $85 million, I believe, to take me 3 blocks to the hospital. So still paying that off, you know what I'm saying?
Should have walked it off.
You know what I mean?
Should have walked it off. My cousin got shot in the neck and he walked to the hospital because it was a block away. Because they were taking mad long. He called and it was like, yo, it's going to take 10 minutes. You know when that Uber take too long? You're like, nah, fuck this. Uber take too long, you open the Lyft shit. Lyft be like, yo, 3 minutes away. But then 3 turns to 6, turns to 9.
Oh, God.
But also, I mean, the bad thing is he got shot in the neck and then the hospital he walked to was not a level 1 trauma center. So like they were like, yo, you gotta
go somewhere else?
But then you could just get an ambulance from there. Or take a cab. Just saying, some Uber drivers won't pick you up if you have like a gunshot wound. You know,
shit,
and they will get a 4.3. How about that?
Good thing I'm not.
Okay, not put in friendly driver, not put in clean car. No, you were a dick.
Compliment.
Just because I'm bleeding out in your backseat, you can't be friendly. You can't ask me if the AC is enough for shit.
Yo,
like,
turn the AC up high so it can
can you put it on hot 97? Thank you.
Yo, you got an iPhone charger, also a tourniquet?
Oh, sorry. He's like, are you bleeding? I was like, nah, that blood stain was there before I got in there, dude.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, I'm just leaning on this side because I feel faint.
Stop playing with me.
Could you turn up the wave so I know we get? Oh shit! They just nod out like,
shit, fuck.
Like, oh,
Bobby, no, you can bleed out in here.
No. Just rest my eyes.
Bobby, you can bleed out in here. Bobby, I know, Bobby.
Shit burns.
Bobby, no, Bobby.
Can't believe this nigga shot me.
No, listen, Bobby, let me tell you something. When I was smoking cocaine in 1978, I got shot in my neck, también, and you cannot be bleeding out of my back seat. I know what a neck won't look like.
You're like, yo, can you turn that music down? He's on the phone like, yo, this nigga Terrell shot me. You killed that nigga. I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? Kill that nigga mama and shit. She work at the fucking TD Bank on fucking Atlantic. Fucking driver's like, are you getting someone murdered back? Like, why don't you keep driving? How about you mind your business?
Put your fucking headphones on and call your mother country.
Imagine you in the Uber pool, you hear someone plotting a murder. Do you gotta interject? Because you break the number 1 rule. Don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
But then you're an accessory.
Yeah, you just gotta live tweet it. You just be like, yo, I was in the Uber pool, someone was plotting a murder. LOL. That's wild, yo.
Hey, LOL.
NYC 2018, you know what it is.
Crazy, motherfuckers.
Yo, if your name's Karen, they're gonna kill your mother. That's wild. Sad. Sick, sad world.
Sad.
Can't have no one coming. Oh, damn. If you're going to come shoot me, don't come in an Uber pool, nigga. At least get an Uber black. Show some respect, man.
Come pull up an SUV, my G.
Exactly.
Like, don't come in there.
Actually, run a car for the whole day. Don't just don't do a one and done.
Don't pull up in a Nissan Leaf to murk me, nigga.
Now you shot me. I'm bleeding on the ground like, Now you waiting 5 minutes.
Like, come on.
You got to make small talk. I'm like, what you get a lift? He's like, yeah. It's like, there's a surge. I'm like, really? 4 p.m. There's a lot of traffic on the Bronx River Parkway, so I can see how that happens. Can you roll me over my side?
Please.
It hurts so bad. Geez, what is it? The iPhone 10? You like the battery life on that thing?
It's pretty good.
Oh, fuck.
Check the battery health.
Oh,
just swipe all the way to the left.
Oh, man. You heard that new Kid See Ghosts sometimes? Kanye really spazzed.
Yeah. My favorite line from Kid Cudi on that is,
oh, yeah. I love that Kid Cudi. Oh, shit. Speaking of Kid Cudi, I'm getting closer to the light. All right. Okay. Now, before I die, you want to flick it up one time for the gram?
Yeah.
Make sure I trend.
I fuck with the vision.
Yo, real quick, could you throw the bunny filter on me one last time?
Yeah.
Cool.
Got you. Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
There, boom.
All right, cool.
Open your mouth though, so the air goes down.
I think I got blood coming out of his mouth and shit. Just looks like the rainbow shit. What filter was that? It's called I'm dying, nigga. That's the filter.
Tilt your head back to change sunglasses. I can't move my neck, nigga. There's a bullet in my neck.
Oh. World Cup breaking news. World Cup report. Egypt just is losing to you are gay.
Fam.
We're not familiar with the World Cup here. We just don't. We don't.
I'm like consumed by it as a Southern American.
I mean, we just tried our best to cover the World Cup, or they call it in other cities, the Cuppa de Globa. Okay, it's your boy over here, Walter Bronkowski. Now, usually we don't watch soccer because it's a lot of brown people running around after a ball the same way they run around and wins the benefits you get when you come here illegally. But now you get to watch the World Cup, and it's a lot of stinky countries going against each other. So is America in it this year? No. All right. Is Jamaica in it? No. DR in it? No. Why are we watching?
Pero vamos Colombia.
Shout out to all my parties.
I guess the Pablo Escobars is playing over here. Let's see what they're doing. Victor High.
All I'm going to say is I was in Colombia in '94 for that World Cup. And if you know how that all ended.
Yeah.
Whoa, nigga said if you know, you know.
Matchbooks full of
All right, relax, Pusha V. Relax. It's a surgical summer.
Yo,
who's winning the World Cup this year? Who's the heavy favorites?
France.
Yeah, they look good. A lot of people are backing Germany. I don't see it though. They don't have the pace. I like France as a dark horse.
I like Germany. I mean, Germany looks good ever since KD joined them. I mean, they're looking real strong. Probably going heavy. You know what I'm saying?
But France just staying. So I mean, how could you compete with that? The guy hits the ball out of the park every time.
Who's the LeVar Ball kids of soccer? Is anyone? That's your lane right there, Mero.
The LeVar Ball kids of soccer or my kids?
Yeah, get your kids there. Never lost. You gotta learn how to say never lost. Italian, German,
fucking Albanian.
I lost, I never.
Yo,
Allucinata torta.
Don't throw the banana at my child.
You gotta like make it funky. Like you gotta sell signature Mero branded bananas in front of the thing. He's be like, get your racist bananas here. Hey,
you're gonna throw a banana at my child?
You just buy it and sell it back and shit?
Yeah, like, yo.
Niggas buy the banana, like, you know what the resell is on this?
Yo, fam.
Like a special conjunction of racist banana / Supreme thing and shit. Niggas lining up for bananas that go bad in a week.
Niggas throw this shit back and come back like
niggas trying to sell that shit like, yo, you gotta buy it now. I had this since Monday, so you know what I'm saying? You wanna buy it now?
Yo, listen, man.
I'll be like, yo, that's not dead. What is that, brown?
Yo, listen, man. It's already getting brown spots. You might want to buy it early. You know what I'm saying?
That's what oh my God, we gotta set up racist food stands. Oh, is the World Cup coming to America?
2026.
Ah, yeah, get all your listen. Uncle D's is racist food emporium. Get all your racist. We got kind of rotten tomatoes. We got banana. What's another fruit? What's the most racist shit that someone could throw at you? Fruit or vegetable?
Probably a rotten plátano.
Rotten plátano? A potato.
Oh, potato, yeah.
Yeah, a potato's pretty hard.
Yeah.
Or leeks. What if someone just threw leeks at you? What does that even mean?
Yeah, I'd be like, what is this? I'd ask the waiter.
You know when you go to the supermarket and you come to there with like some vegetable and like they gotta be like, DK, what's the code? And like, so we're like 8494. And they're like, you gotta get that. What else?
Parsnips?
Parsnips. Damn. That you feel some kind of way. Imagine you about to kick the ball and then you just hear there's a parsnip right at your feet.
You just said parsnips, and I'm just like racking my brain to visualize a parsnip. I have no idea what this should look like.
Exactly.
Is it like a radish?
I thought they were in Super Mario too.
They look kind of like.
It's just that you pick up.
They kind of look like albino carrots.
Okay.
See.
All right. Shout out to parsnips.
Like, you don't even know. They start making monkey noises. Throw a parsnip at you. Like, parsnip. You're like, what?
Yeah.
You're like,
Then Mero Jr. does a bicycle kick. They're like, yo, we love you. We're not racist anymore.
I'm gonna come to the World Cup. I'm gonna throw extra virgin olive oil at people. Is that cool? Throw that on the field and shit.
Little Evo.
Yeah. Just ruin the course, ruin the pitch. For like 20 minutes, I gotta like get all the fucking olive oil off.
Rachel Ray just jump on the field like, what are you doing now?
You're wasting it. It's
I
virgin.
need all of this. I need it all.
There's a lot of shit you can't get. If you go to a Major League Baseball game and you throw a banana at someone, they're coming out the stands to fuck you up.
Oh, yeah, for
they're
sure.
Going, listen.
1,000%. Mm-hmm. You throw anything at a baseball game and they're coming out to fuck you up.
Yeah, you're not getting injected. They're just going to let you fight. Also, I think they got metal detector. Metal detector's not finding vegetables, though, right?
Nah, unless that shit got mad iron.
All right, okay. All right. Dad jokes. I mean, dad sneakers are in, so dad jokes.
You know what I'm saying? Dad sneakers are in now?
Yeah, the clunky dad Air Monarchs, the dad Fila joint.
Did LeBron start that wave? Because LeBron did the special Air Monarch, LeBron Air Monarch.
No, that's people been gravitating towards the clunky, because like the Giuseppe's and all that stuff, you know, the Yeezy Wave Runners, like niggas like a chunky dad shoe. People like a good shoe you could wear and say shit like all lives matter or like respect the flag
or like this is my neighborhood.
These sons of bitches should be standing up. People died for your right to kneel in the flag.
Yeah.
Even though you're watching the fucking NFL game during the anthem, you have a fucking bowl of nachos on your gut. You're not standing.
You're not standing, motherfucker.
You're like, Alexa, pull my pants up. You're not doing any type of shit.
Come on.
Niggas just being lazy.
You switching back and forth between that and spank bang, nigga.
Yeah.
Talking about respect the flag.
Guess who else? Guess who also entered the red zone? Yeah, me, my cock.
You know what's flagging? You know what's flagging? Your penis.
Has anyone made a porno about like players kneeling? No. They gotta do one with like a fake Colin Kaepernick and Nessa and Tommy Lorraine and all that.
Oh shit.
Should be hot. Everyone will watch that. I'm sorry, Colin Kaepernick and Nessa. Like, I don't put you on blast, but you know, y'all hot.
Yeah, it's called Get on Your Knees.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Problematic light is on. The problematic light is on and the profitability light is on. Turn the mad money like
I would call Larry Flint, but he is dead.
Who else could be in there? Ann Coulter?
Ann Coulter, yeah.
Ann Coulter could be in there.
Bill O'Reilly.
Bill O'Reilly.
Bill O'Reilly, yeah. Bill O'Reilly getting his ass eaten.
Sarah Huckabee Sanders
with his legs up.
Just lying. Oh, shit.
Bill O'Reilly holding his kneecaps back and
like,
shit.
Yeah, get in the middle.
Yeah.
Get in the middle. Yeah.
I love it. No spin zone.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the no spin. Or actually spin your tongue more.
Oh. Throw a quick Mika and Joe in there.
You know what I'm saying?
A little morning Joe.
Yeah. Yeah, they got that face.
Guess what? It's not caffeine that's waking you up this morning. You feel me?
Yeah.
Comes through with his guitar. Like,
and a little
they got on a windbreaker with nothing underneath. You see the dick hanging out like Winnie the Pooh? Yeah.
What's good?
Yeah.
What's good?
Hey, Joe Scarborough. Yeah.
What's up? Mika's like, oh my God, it's Katie Lang. Oh shit, no, it's you, Joe Scarborough.
I am Joe from Florida.
And I got little Harry Potter glasses.
He does.
Watch.
What did we call Harry Potter glasses before Harry Potter?
Fucking nerd glasses?
True.
I believe horn rim.
Horn rim? That's what they're called?
Horn rim. Horn rim. That sounds like a expansion map for Skyrim. Like, yo, there's more dragons here.
Yo, more dragons and rings and artifacts.
Skyrim in the hood. Do they have Skyrim in the hood? Are there black people in Skyrim?
Hell no.
Oh.
If there was, they'd probably like racist to be like ogres and shit. Like, don't go over there. Don't go to Bronx Kingdom. It's full of ogres. You get there and they all speak Spanish.
No, there are no black people in Skyrim.
Nope.
Oh wow.
Are you surprised by that? Are you surprised that an RPG?
Well, they're saying the Red Guards seem black, but
seem black.
Oh, I don't know. Skyrim is old as shit. I need to. There's so many video games out there. I'm trying to catch up on them, but man, they coming out fast and furious. You gotta in order to appreciate video games, you have to be unemployed, which is a conundrum because if you're unemployed, you don't have money for video games.
That's true.
How do you do it? How do you get ID if you don't have ID?
I don't know.
Think about that.
All I know is that I went to GameStop and spent so much money that they gave me a free Game Informer, so I guess I will know about video games now because when I take a shit, I guess I'll read Game Informer.
Nigga read magazines about video games.
Like,
that's not reading.
You know what I'm saying?
That's not reading. Why don't you? When was the last time you read the Daily Caller, my brother? How about that? You want to read? You want to read about simulations, huh? You want to read about how they use pixels to represent new things? Let me talk about how they use people to represent new things. All right. Shit. Also, be sure to check
Teach these levels.
Check page 38. We have Brother Elijah's bean pie recipe. It's a sure banger for your next cookout.
Oh shit! What's in a bean pie?
Beans, nigga.
Just straight. What kind of beans? I'm Dominican. I eat like 68 different types of beans.
I mean, it's
chickpeas.
What's it? Is navy beans, evaporated milk, melted butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, flour, sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, and egg yolks.
Navy beans?
Navy beans, nigga. Navy beans.
What navy beans?
Navy beans. The beans that, they decided they're going to serve our nation and they signed up.
I was like, am I gonna
like a Boston bean, like a white pea bean?
I was gonna say, am I gonna let you make that joke, or am I gonna say that joke? Why not army beans?
A navy bean is a bean that's a big fan of Rihanna. Okay. Boom. That's her iconic line from Battleship. Boom. Shout out to Rihanna. One day there's gonna be a movie Rihanna plays a slave, and we're gonna just be like, she was so good in it, but behind her back we're like, that was terrible. She's gonna win like an award for it.
Oh, you know it.
For the first time, someone from Barbados has won an award. And
big up, everybody.
Like, this is huge. This is a major win for Barbados. Everyone in Jamaica like, that's not a real place.
That's not real.
It's not a real place. That's where you reload your plane.
Shit's like the fucking sidecar to our island, nigga. Get your shit out of here.
Shout out to Jamaica for no reason whatsoever, just cause. I'm sure you just invented something.
You know what I'm saying?
Somewhere, someone out there, you created a molecular collider using old shipping barrels and maybe a bobsled. I respect it.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my uncle out there. I'm making more money, so one day we're going to start your little business you want, like renting jet skis to white people. I'm not sure why they got to be white, but listen, you got a plan.
Those are the people that rent jet skis. Let's be honest. Let's be real.
I mean,
like the locals aren't running up like, yo, let me get, yo.
You never know. When you got to run from island to island, you might need a quick, maybe we do jet ski Ubers. How about that? We just rescue white people that swam out too far.
Yeah.
Like, oh my God, I went too far out.
I'm in 4 feet of water. I don't know what to do. I can't doggy paddle. Help.
Well, that was at St. Thomas.
Trevor.
I saw 3 white people swim out to like a floating wood dock in the water, but they all balanced Bud Lights on their chest and like swam backwards. And I was like, look at that dedication to the craft.
Look how brave you are.
Also, that's why they took this island so easily.
Damn.
I was like, damn.
You motherfuckers.
White people are relentless. Also, that's like the number one beer down there, Bud Light, because well, it might have changed, but at one time, St. Thomas' main industry was tourism, so they had to like do shit that white people would enjoy, like beer, like Anheuser-Busch.
Oh, man.
I was like, y'all got Beck's? It was like, Beck's? I was like, yes, I know. It's the number one drink of old Jamaican man. You got it or you don't got it.
They're like, no, we have Bud Light.
You got Bud Light.
We have Bud Light.
We got Light. We got Corona. They bought Corona, right? No, they bought Modelo. Who bought Modelo? Anheuser-Busch?
They must have, because they got mad inspirational commercials now.
Well, they sold to InBev, so it's all InBev now.
Right.
InBev is everything now?
Yeah, everything.
Everything.
Except for like craft breweries. Shout out to craft breweries.
Yeah.
Shout out to Jimmy Carter for enabling that in like 88.
Shout out to everyone out there that enjoys an IPA. An IPA is good because you could buy an IPA and you tell everyone at the table, I'm drinking an IPA.
Yeah, it's like
just leave it because that shit is whack. Yeah. It's too heavy.
Shout out to everybody drinking IPAs. You are literally drinking fart juice.
IPAs.
You know what I'm saying?
IPA is like if you want to sit at a bar and be annoying to other people around you. If you don't know nobody, we'll be like, yeah, you know about hops?
You know what IPA stands for? I'm a pretentious asshole.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, okay. All right. Okay. Mero with the New Yorker jokes. All right.
Hey, what are you drinking? Oh, what is that? A Pilsner? Well, no, I prefer IPA. I prefer my beer a little more hoppy and manly.
IPA.
Grow a beard. Like, fuck you, nigga. I'm just trying to get drunk, bro. I couldn't find a nutcracker, so that's why I'm drinking this shit.
Yeah, you can't casually sip a nutcracker. Like anywhere you're at, if you bust out a nutcracker, they're gonna be like, "Sir, could you please leave?"
It's nutcracker season, though.
It is, but you gotta be. There's certain places you could be to enjoy nutcracker, right? You can't just bust a nutcracker out at work during like a meeting and shit. Like people are gonna send you to HR.
Well, listen, I'll be in HR with my nutcracker.
They could just be in there like rocking side to side.
Like, yo, I don't give a fuck, yo, you want to sip of this shit, nigga? It's just hitting. I'm fucking lit, bro.
Shit got cat hair because we made in someone's bathtub, even though that shit didn't fly.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Nemos. That's the new wave. You got the Nutcrackers, you got the Nemos, shout out to H2O Nemos, you know what I'm saying? All day.
Y'all don't know how to butt chug a nutcracker.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, if y'all really bout it this year,
you know what I mean?
Got the funnel. Y'all do a kickflip at La Marina and you butt chug a nutcracker.
That's right.
I guarantee you have enough energy you could fly. You could swim across the water right to New Jersey, touch the side, and come back.
Take it to the next level and do a butt fucking hookah chug, nigga. Stick the hookah holes in your butt and inhale.
Actually, you got to do the double barrel. I believe they call it. You put the butt chugging nutcracker in the back, and you put the hookah under your foreskin.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
And everyone's like in a circle with their phones out like, yo,
sing wild,
get it. Oh, get light. Nigga Billy rocking with the fucking hookah coming out the dick like, yeah. Do the JV Black Boy shit like,
Meanwhile, there's like two naked Spanish girls fighting behind you, like, and nobody cares because you got a hookah in your dick. Viral videos.
Niggas just burning himself with the hookah coals. Like, oh shit.
It's gonna be a real hot summer, y'all.
Oh shit. Remember when 50 said that and nothing happened?
Yeah, right?
That was a moment. He was all like, "Oh, what's gonna happen?"
What's gonna happen?
He was like, "Nah, I was just talking about because of global warming and stuff."
Yeah, the ice caps are melting.
Listen, the ozone layer is gone, so I mean, like the temperature is actually getting hotter.
You know what I'm saying?
Cameron got his Bill Nye on. I was like, all right.
Oh, okay. Shout out to you, Bill.
Well, you got a favorite rapper you could take, like, when they don't take L's, you make excuses for them.
Nah.
It's like how all the Drake's fans are like, yo, he won because the Degrassi shit is better than anything. I'm like, really, fam? Really? But what rappers have I stretched and protected? Probably Jay-Z.
Jay-Z, absolutely.
Yeah. French Montana.
Yeah, but
for
that's
the Bronx, basically.
Yeah, you have to.
Like
I always came
like,
for Big Pun, French, like you said.
Fat Joe,
of course, Bronxite. You know what
J-Lo
I'm saying?
now.
J-Lo, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Everybody that comes from the Bronx and is non-problematic, got to cape for them.
Well, you don't cape for a KRS-One?
Oh, yeah. Knowledge reigns supreme over nearly everybody.
What about 13 and Good?
You know what I'm saying? That was a different time.
Yeah. Ooh. Whoa. You know what? You can't say.
I was listening to some like old Diamond D shit, and he was the Sally had a 1-track mind joint. You know how that shit goes. He's like, sweet 16, but she looked 21. I was like, my kids in the car is like, I was like, yo, fast forward. Let's listen to some boot camp click.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Oh man,
90s hip hop is like so problematic. It's like the beats banging, like it's so
you
reminiscent.
Hear the lyrics, you're like, whoa,
yo, you're like, yeah,
whoa.
Yo, my style switches like a faggot. Whoa.
What about Belle Biv DeVoe Do Me?
Oh,
backstage, underage, adolescent. How you doing? Fine, she replied. Aside, I like to do a wild thing. Action took place. Kind of wet. Don't forget the J, the I, the M, the Y. Wow, y'all, I need a body bag. Nigga, he was like backstage, underage, adolescent. He was like, all right, I just make y'all claro from the rip. What's going on here? Okay? What's going on? What was he? Oh,
yo, it's like medieval. It was like, yo,
girl, let your hair down, take off your clothes, and leave on your shoes. Do you mind if I looked at you for a minute before I make sweet love?
Oh my god, it was like
you
medieval
can do
times.
Me in the morning. Yeah, do me, baby.
That shit is crazy. But my father be like, yo, my mom had our first your uncle when she was 14. I was like, what? I was like, that shit sounds crazy.
Niggas ain't have cable.
Like,
niggas got no Nintendo Switch, niggas no Fios.
I was like, yo, this shit is crazy.
And that was back when they had the hairy choach, so you know that was official shit.
Yo,
so niggas had the fucking TV with the antenna wire.
Oh
and shit.
My god!
You probably turn on the TV, you can't watch shit. You gotta move the antennas. The shit is blurry. You like fuck it.
Fuck it.
Hit on the leg like, yo, what's up? Let me see the hairy tacos.
What's poppin'? Let's get under this mosquito net.
Niggas don't even understand how babies work and shit. Just look like 3 months later, like, yo, you getting fat.
Yo, what the fuck?
I'm pregnant, nigga. Like, oh, how?
Why his eyes don't open yet?
Oh, man, come on. What's going on? What's going on? Niggas just go outside, steal a car battery instead of building on fire, because that's what you used to do in the Bronx for hobbies.
That's right.
You know, you could just burn down a building. You can call the fire department. Like, so what? Big deal. A lot of buildings get on fire.
Hey, we got 6 other buildings on fire. We'll get around to it.
We'll be there in 48 hours. How about that?
Yeah, take a ticket, you schmuck.
All right, now, listen. What's his name? Willie Randolph is about to go at bat, so we gotta hang up.
Yeah, get out of here.
Out of here. Bye.
80s used to have to go to the fire station and like take a ticket like it's fucking like a deli and shit like yo.
Now serving number 161. 161. Yeah, what can it be? Yeah, my house has been on fire for 2 days.
For 2 days.
It was it's a 2-family now.
Yeah, but, my entire family's dead. But can you go put it out, please? Damn. That's when firefighters were really like, you know what I'm saying? Getting work done.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Firefighters had a bad run, but 9/11 came right back.
Came right back. They got all the juice.
They still flying off of 9/11.
Nigga,
what's funny, like cops, Cops can't even still ride the 9/11 way because they do so much fucked up shit. Firefighters like, yo, you go firefighter, you be like, I'm not putting out your house, you nigga spick bitch.
Yep.
And you be like, yo, thank you for your bravery. Thank you for everything you did. Thank you. Some gave all gave some.
Thank you, Flannery.
Nigga put up a fucking 9/11 tattoo on your shit like, yo.
He's like, my cousin's uncle's father's cat's uncle's cousin died in 9/11.
I'm like, oh shit.
Damn.
Thank you for your service.
I appreciate you, brother.
A cop be like, yeah, my brother died now. I'm like, oh, fuck you.
Fuck you,
Fuck
pig.
you. Blue lives don't matter.
Fucking pig.
FTP.
Fuck out of here, nigga.
Eric Gardner.
Fuck out of here.
Like, what? How did
Suck my dick,
we don't
nigga.
get any of the,
What I did.
I'm trying to think, when's the last time I was like really, when's the last time you was nice to a cop?
Never.
Like,
never.
You know what? No, I held the door for them coming out of Dunkin' Donuts, and I was just like, how you feel?
Yeah.
I was like, you're welcome.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Also, how stereotypical of them to be going into a donut shop.
You know what? Cops, if you pull out your phone and try to take a picture of them in Dunkin' Donuts, you will get fucked up. They know you're trying to put them on the meme. They ain't out with the shit. They're like, what do you want? It's a quick meal. I can eat it with one hand.
Yeah, come on, give me a break here.
There's a pizza shop by in my neighborhood, and the pizza's terrible. But the only people that eat there consistently is the 47 precinct. Yeah. Every time I see a cop, they're coming out of there with like 8 pies or more. Yeah. So they're single-handedly keeping that pizza shop in the business. Yeah. That pizza shop is the ops. Also, the pizza tastes a lot like dough and ketchup. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Because, in New York, the best pizza is made by an Albanian that's lying and says they're Italian. Yeah. Okay? Says his name is Tony. Last name got a J in it. Explain.
Yeah. Explain. Your name has no vowels.
Tony Hadjakovic? Yeah. From the old country? What part of Sicily is that?
Yeah. Tell me about it.
But you know what? Pizza is banging. Yeah. I'm listening.
You know why? Because then you open the back door and then you see the 10 Mexicans in there that are actually making the actual pizza.
Shout out to them.
Tony Shalhoub is just in fronting like, yo, yay, Maron. Hey, Cuzzy, what you want? I live on my Dick
another
Avenue.
Sprite for this moolie. Yeah, I get it. We're the moolies of Europe. There's like a big double-headed eagle in the back. I'm like, yeah, that's not Italian.
Yeah.
Shout out to all my Albanians.
Yo, shout out to all my elbows. Yo, the Albanian flag is wild intimidating, B. It's just like black and red with like a 2-headed dragon or some shit like that.
It's
some Game of Thrones shit.
Double eagle, because the Albanian people feel they came from the eagle.
Oh.
Swear to God.
From a 2-headed eagle? Damn, shout to y'all.
Listen.
That's also the Dipset shit.
If you don't got
shit too?
If you don't got the wild backstory, like your whole nation is your buns. Yeah. Like all of Jamaica came from one breadfruit, the magic breadfruit.
Oh shit!
No one steal that. That's a book I'm writing for kids. It's basically Game of Thrones, just with in Jamaica and shit. Niggas trying to eat the hottest pepper.
Yo,
there's like a scene. Nigga gotta kill his favorite goat. It's very gut wrenching.
I can't wait to write the history of the DR and shit. Like in 1492, Romeo Santos landed on the coast of the Dominican Republic. And bachata was born.
He's like, comes out the water. He's like, so sandy. Let me find out.
I'm so wet. Oh my God.
Come to the screens this summer.
Who got my Chelsea boots?
The battle for DR begins. It's like Sammy Sosa on the other. How have we come with the bleaching machine?
He's trying to shoot everybody with bleaching. Everybody's like, no.
So one person he's testing them and he's not bleaching too much, and the person disappears. I guess Romeo Santos got to go with like a final battle and like they're fighting, but it's like Black Panther and they're getting bleach splashed on them and shit. It's like,
They got the Captain Dominican shield and shit. Like,
every time a little bit of the bleach gets out, they're like, it burns. It's like, no! But he's like throwing plantain oil at fucking Sammy Sosa to bring back his real color. He's like,
oh no!
Coño!
No!
And then David Ortiz comes with like the fucking Infinity Gauntlet. He reverses it, and he's like, you know what? There's too many barrels going to DR.
That's it. No more.
He blocks all the shipping barrels and they just show back up at people's apartments. Every barrel you've ever sent shows back up at your apartment at the same time.
Oh,
now your apartments are filled with 20 barrels. People are like, stop, David Ortiz, you're killing our people.
You're killing our people.
Like, DR has too many white jeans.
A-Rod's like, I'm going to kill him. I'm going to do it. And then he kills A-Rod. And then he kills him again.
Oh,
no.
Every game. It's like, stop.
Please, Poppy.
Please be a benevolent Poppy. This is my fucking galaxy.
Manny Ramirez is in this shit. His superpower is being wild lazy.
Man, you gotta go stop David Ortiz. He's like,
bueno, papi. I mean, I'm just chilling right here on Thayer with my lawn chair and my hookah. So, like, What do you want me to do that? Like
stop?
2 weeks from now or like?
Who am I? I gotta stop him for what?
Why? That's not my nigga. Yeah, I know him.
Had nothing to do with me.
I don't got nothing. We play together, but that's it. Like, I don't know. He don't be in the fucking Cuero house with me. Like, what the fuck, bro?
Yo, shout out to the Yankees still winning, man.
Yeah. Hey, at least champs, bro.
Yeah.
Saying it right now, calling it right now. Hey, at least champs, bro.
You know what it is. Be a little shout out to Glaber Torres.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all you Yankee fans who are cops and law enforcement people. You're probably ICE agents. You really enjoy the Yankees winning and you're still ripping kids away from their parents.
Yeah.
You're like, yeah, Glaber Torres. Yeah.
What if Glaber Torres' parents was at the border with him, huh? What would you do then, huh? Damn. Officer Prosciutto?
See, I was trying to make a political statement. You turn it to a City High song. What would
you do if he saw us at the border?
Crying. The only way to feed him is an ICE agent. Who's ICE? This was ICE to get strong like that.
Yeah, like
it used to be what used to be DTT, like the detectives that used to find guns and coke and shit. But damn, ICE is out here.
They be running up in every Kennedy fried. Like, yo, Mamadou, Julio.
But I know
Ahmad,
who to mess with and who not to mess with. Like, they're not trying to run up on the wrong one.
Yeah.
They have buns.
They're just like, yo, do you...
If you see an ICE agent and you're an American citizen, duff them out.
Yeah.
Punch them right in the chin.
Trip them.
Yeah.
Like Larry David did to Shaq.
Do like J.R. Smith and tie their laces together.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. That's how we beating ICE with pranks. Get a bottle of salsa, get a fucking whipped cream pie. What they call like, let me see your papers. Hit them in the pie like,
ICE agent pull up. He's like, oh, that's a nice flower. I'm like, yeah, look right into it.
Nigga throw a hole on the floor and shit. Nigga fall into it. That's right. Call right now. Get the Acme catalog. Defeat fucking ICE agents.
Yo.
Just give a nigga sticks of dynamite.
Yo, here, hold that. I'm gonna paint a fucking tunnel on the wall and shit. Like, yo, go run through that tunnel.
They give the ICE agent the fucking dynamite. And they actually blow up. He's like, I thought he was just gonna be covered in soot. I was like, nah, that's real dynamite.
No, that's real dynamite, my nigga.
This ain't fucking Warner Brothers.
That nigga's he's a hamburger now.
He's like, but you painted a cave on the side of the wall and ran into the shit and ran out. How come the physics for that are different than the...
Don't worry about that, Don't worry about that.
You know what?
You asking a lot of questions.
You ask a lot of questions now. Here, put your finger at the end of the shotgun and watch the shit curl up. What does this shit shoot? That's right. If ISIS has guns, just put your finger right in the bullet.
Man, it's ICE season.
Wow, ICE and ISIS.
Ooh.
Whoa. Whoa, my brain. Oh, I'm over 9,000.
Oh, my God. System overload. Would you like to report this problem to Apple?
I just got chopped cheese gravy just coming outside my mouth. I'm like, overload, Johnny 5 alive, Johnny 5. Too woke.
Too much woke input.
This got to be taking me to the hospital and tie me to the bed and make me unwoke.
Just make you listen to Matt R. Kelly and shit. Like,
he's like, yo, play some Nas for him.
Yeah.
Play the new Kanye.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Just put the part about two titties on repeat.
He's woken too much. He's woken too much. Quick, I need 300 cc's. Kevin Gates, let's go.
Let's go.
He's
like, I don't get tired. And I don't get woke. I feel so much better now. Oh my God, I can say problematic things again.
Niggas test you and you go out and be like, yo, did you see that crazy prostitute over there? You're like,
yeah.
Yeah. I saw the crazy prostitute. Hooker! Problematic. Crazy is ableist slur. It should be sex worker. Snap me down. Like, he's hemorrhaging. He's hemorrhaging.
Hurry. Get 500 cc's we need 500 cc's of my Francesa. My Francesa
stat.
We need some my Francesa stat.
Oh, man.
Play some Cameron.
You just got me talking to Drake's father and shit. It's like, yo, I like when you used to call pussy cock and it had hair on it. I like when you would eat the choach in the face like a Brillo pad on your chin.
I like when my mustache go around my nose.
No, the problem is women don't have what we used to call the leg hair. And it look like you're just wearing stockings made of hair. I like that. And you have to use a comb to cut the booty hole apart.
Yeah, that's good. You have to part the booty hole. I call it parting the booty.
Every now and then, if you was like a woman, you just cornroll the hair around her booty. You know, nice like that. So the tender.
Make sure you got the comb with the rat tail.
Mm-hmm. Just really get in there. Really dig the scalp out. You want to get the dandruff. How you got dandruff in your butt hair?
Yo, you're a dust bag.
That's disgusting and hot at the same time. There's a special porn site out there that we don't know the names of it, and people pay $79 a month for it. But niggas love that shit.
Dandruff butt.
Dandruff butt.
Oh man.
Shit. Let me see.
Shout out to Tushy.com for being mad creative with their name. Like, it's very clear that you are an anal-only website. Shout out to y'all.
Butt dandruff. What is this? Butt dandruff is when toilet paper gets stuck on the rim of your balloon knot. Oh, okay.
Okay.
You know what? Urban Dictionary could literally say anything. You're just like, all right, I guess that's
cool,
the kids are saying.
fine. But
And you look in the entries from like 04, you're like, oh shit.
Yeah, but that only happens when you use like Charmin and shit. Like if you're using like that wild like one ply, like that shit don't happen to you.
Nah, you gotta use one ply to stay humble and make your kids respect life. And
That's
shit.
it.
You know, nothing keeps you grounded like wiping your butt and your fingers go through.
Yeah. Then you're like,
I got doodle on my finger.
Then you wipe it. Then you wipe it on the next piece, and then you wipe your butt. You're like,
but then it's still on your finger. You're like, now I gotta go wash my hands when I get up, but I can't use that finger to turn the thing. Doodle finger, and no matter how much you scrub it, you know now you had doodle on your finger. So all day you keep looking at that finger like, nasty finger.
I need a manicure ASAP.
And then that's what happens when you don't have like a shit brush. You got a shit brush, right?
By nails?
Yeah, shit brush.
For sure.
Like after you take a shit, clean underneath your nails.
Oh, specifically for that.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I just brush my nails like.
You got a shit knife?
A shit knife?
Yeah.
I don't even want to know that. I'm not putting
if you
a knife
take
in my
like
butt.
nah, it's not for your butt, but like if you eat good, because you rich now, you eating healthy and shit. You got like carbohydrates and lobsters and shit. You gotta have really big turds, so you gotta cut them shits up. So you gotta keep a knife by the toilet.
So you don't clog your toilet?
Yeah. You never heard of a shit knife?
A shit knife? Do they have them at Williams Sonoma?
They do. You just keep it on a nail by like on the bathroom and shit. You know, listen, you don't want to like clog up your system and shit. Yeah. Cause think about it, you're not having the wimpy Bronx shits no more. It's not like it's not donut sticks and butter crunch. You know what I'm saying? Niggas eat a little off steak. You know what I'm saying? A little shrimp over here.
Niggas out here having butt babies.
You know what I'm saying? You come out heavy, you gotta come through with the ginsu like Then I could cut through steel, cut through a steel can, and cut through a turd like.
You call that like, yo, look at my turd, B.
Oh.
That shit is 10 pounds. You deliver a 10-pound baby?
Man.
Huh?
Nah, that shit nice shit. Someone posted it on Reddit, and I was like, is this shit for real or not? But now I'm taking it, and I'm telling everyone it's real.
Wow.
So from now on, you tell people shit knives are real.
I'm going to the
when you go to work tonight, and you ask HR, we need shit knives.
We need shit knives.
We need shit knives.
You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. You got maxi, you got panty liners, you got condoms, you have.
The women could use. You don't know.
You know what I'm saying? You never know.
Imagine you coming after your girl, and your girl take the wild 10-pound baby.
Ooh.
She can't even flush it. She flushed 3 times, and she's just chilling like, I'm not going, and I'm telling you, I'm not going anywhere.
She's just rotating in the fucking bowl and shit, like doing a Millie Rock. Like,
she's just there like, yo, we here. We here.
Fuck that. I'm here to stay.
I'm on this on any block. What's good?
I mean? What's popping?
What's good? Keep flushing. That shit just tickles me.
You mad?
Shit don't even slide down a little.
Fucking cornball.
Wedge right there.
I'm actually gonna go buy a shit knife now. I'm going to Wilson right after this podcast. I'm gonna be like, "Where's the shit knives?" They're gonna be like, "Oh, it's right over there by the coffee
Sir,
shop."
show me your finest shit knives,
please.
They're gonna take you to like a bathroom and have you test it out. Like, here.
What if you eat?
They're gonna give you a bowl of pasta. They'll be like, "Come back in an hour." They come back like, "Look, cut through with ease." They're gonna have a motorized shit knife. They're gonna have like the fucking Bluetooth one. They're gonna have a Ramba shit knife.
This one has Wi-Fi capabilities.
Oh man!
You know, just in case you want to browse the web while you cut up your doo doo.
Why don't they have toilets that what was I gonna say? They'll wipe your butt for you. I mean, they have bidets, but they need one that just like
has a piece of paper. It's just like a mannequin hand that just wipes your ass for you.
Like, a little tickle.
I feel like nobody could wipe your ass like you could wipe your own ass. You know what I'm saying?
See, that's the kind of thing I believe, but then once you see people with personal assistants, you're like, all right,
well, maybe they can learn.
Because I mean, think about it. Like in the beginning, you didn't wipe your own ass.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You think you're doing a better job than your mama?
That's true. I don't think my mom.
Maybe your father, if that's the kind of way your culture went. I don't know. Some people, the father was like, "No, that's gay. I'm not wiping my son's butt."
I actually am very afraid to wipe my daughter's butt.
Why?
Because she has a vagina, and I don't have a vagina, and I don't know how to circumvent potentially getting doo-doo in the vagina.
Oh.
And like talking to a pediatrician about that shit. Like I'm like, yo, actually, you know what I'm saying? I probably could learn how to do it, but I'm just wild lazy. And there's 3 other boys.
You know what it is? The same steamer you use for like the flags and the t-shirts and shit.
Just steam the doodle off?
Just steam the doodle off.
Okay.
Just give her a quick blast of steam. You'll be all right.
Copy.
Scream at first, but she get used to it. Kids are resilient. You know what I'm saying? They're like little elephants.
She'll grow up hating me and shit.
Little
like,
3rd-degree burn and shit.
Nigga, you used to steam my butt.
Every time she's like walking to Manhattan, she sees like all the steam coming out the shit. She'll have a panic attack. He's looking at the bank like, all right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm good. No, I don't want my clothes steamed. I want my clothes ironed.
Her Twitter bio is going to be like, trigger warning. Do not use the word steam. I was steamed. She goes, there's like Red Lobster and shit. They're like, you want steamed lobster? She's like, no,
I would have broiled.
Oh, man.
Yo.
Oh, shit, they arrested Trump? No, it's not going to happen.
Yeah, that's not going to happen.
It's not going to happen.
That's one of the few, like, yo, I'm going to say this live with conviction and see if Mero bites.
Yeah,
I was like, nah. That's never gonna happen.
All right, this is real. Whitney Houston's ex Bobby Brown wants to slap Kanye West for the picture. But that was weeks ago. She never slapped him already?
Yeah.
Is Kanye West hard to run up on?
Oh, I thought you meant slap like a lawsuit. You mean physically slap.
Bobby Brown's not really a lawsuit type nigga.
Yeah, I feel like.
Bobby Brown's a brown liquor type nigga.
Yeah.
All right,
yeah.
I don't know about brown suitcase to the law. You know what I mean?
He has some of that Bobby White and then go see Kanye.
Yeah, he gonna bring it to him.
You know what I'm saying?
Imagine you outside, you just see Bobby Brown just beating the shit out of Kanye.
Oh, man.
And you know, it'd be like an old school, like he's throwing him in garbage and shit.
Oh, that'd be great.
Ooh.
I would love
Kanye be like, yikes!
Nigga wake up the next day like,
you're not a free thinker!
Nigga wake up the next day like, sometimes I wake up, I think about killing Bobby Brown. Think about killing myself. I'm like, yo, what the fuck are you
gonna
on?
Kill him or nah?
You gonna kill him or nah, B? Bring the smoke. I would love to see Bobby Brown fight Kanye.
That'd be good. They should set that up for charity.
You know what I'm saying? If you know what I mean? Is it for the Kim Kardashian Foundation that they got in Chicago that they kicked Ramfest off?
Oh. Yeah, I mean, they kind of skirted off that Chicago shit real quick.
They're like, we're from Chicago. No, we're not. We're from Calabasas.
We're back on that. I was like, whatever worked for you, you know.
Fucking Kris Jenner was like, you are not from Chicago. You are from
Chi-Town, you know what it is.
You are from California.
Mom, let me ride the red line. Like,
no. You're
Calabasas.
not going to Wiener Circle. No, you are not.
Calabasas.
You're not hanging out with G Herbo. I know what happens when you hang out with rappers. Okay?
So sad. You know what I'm saying?
Somebody said on Twitter that I predicted that one of the Jenner twins was going to get pregnant by a rapper. I don't know what episode that was. Shout out to Reddit, yo. Y'all be on it. But
yeah, what episode was that?
Bro, like 100 and something? I don't even know. Like, because we were talking about how like all the Kardashians are wild fucked up except for like Kendall and Kylie, and that's when Kylie started to turn.
Wait, Nas said Fox was started by a black dude? All right, then you know the album's fire. If he's on there saying some shit that ain't true.
Oh, he's on there on the
I love Nas because Nas kind of fuck with facts, but not really.
Yeah, Nas
he facts adjacent.
Yeah,
like, yo.
Nas's whole like promo runs be like on some like Hotepian.
So he'll be like, yo, you know, you can't feed your kids brownies because brownies like have homosexuality.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, what?
What?
He's like, think about Keebler elves, a bunch of elves. They live in a tree.
Think about it, B.
We think about a tree of knowledge of life, Garden of Eden.
Think about this.
You're like, what?
You know what I'm saying? You're feeding your kids GMO products, right? You know what GMO stand for?
Mm-hmm.
Game-made organism.
Ooh,
you know what I'm saying? Stay woke.
Think about it also. What does an O look like? A big gaping butthole?
Yeah, that's right.
You want that with your kids?
Is that what you want with your kids, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Think about that.
Buy my album. Kanye produced it.
Let me ask you something, my brother.
What's up?
You ever been to a Katy Perry album? You ever listened to one of her concerts?
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
A lot of balloons and shit?
Yeah.
A lot of girls rubbing on each other?
Right.
Real sexy like?
Right.
She got those big titties?
Talk to him.
That's how they make the lesbians.
Oh, shit.
Stay woke.
Stay woke. Keep your third eye open. Decalcify your pineal gland.
Like,
y'all.
what? You just want to talk about Katy Perry's titties? I'm like, yeah,
Katy
man.
Perry's titties ain't all that. Like, I mean, like, not to body. Like, is that body shaming? Like, just being like, yo, you got okay, like your breasts are fine.
I think for her frame, they can perk up properly.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, like when she did that thing with Sesame Street.
Yeah.
That was like, all right.
You're doing a lot, but it's like, is that bra related? Is that like natural? Like,
I don't know. Also, probably because she was like a Christian singer, so you know, like
she's trying to break out.
God gives people like really. If you're like a Christian singer, you probably have like the wild banging body and shit.
Yeah, but you gotta hide under the wild robe and shit. Yeah,
you just be minding your business. You talking to some girl, blah blah, and then he's like, "What?" And then she'll casually be like, "I can't find a bra because like my titties are E." And you're just like, "What?
What?"
Like, all this time, your titties are E?
But they're up here. How is that possible?
And then like you see them naked. You're like, God damn.
Whoa.
I'm gonna shave my titties. I'm like, you better throw them big old jammers on the glass.
What the fuck?
Throw them big things out there.
Just suffocate me.
Throw them things in a circle, Mom.
Crazy? I turn into a European porn star shit like, oh yes, suffocate me with your titties.
Start doing that weird porn where like she just lifts the titty and just drops on you all heavy on the table. You're like, do it again. My tooth.
Yes,
hit me again.
Do this.
Heavy titty.
Oh yes, do this. Yes.
Start being freaky and shit. You take a squeegee and just like take all the titty sweat underneath it, put it in a cup and be like,
I like it. Oh, it's delicious. I like this.
When women do shit like that, when like gurgle cum and shit on videos, that's hot. If guys do that, it's just like, that's nasty.
Like, you
just broke the mood. Why would you
come
do
on,
that?
B. Prince Joshua.
There's not many sexual things that guys could do. Like you can't be on there like dancing, like dancing, got your nipples twerking.
That adds nothing to the Pinot.
Nope.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sucking on her toes. Yeah, maybe she likes that. You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
But if you're doing like you just like kissing on the thigh and shit, sucking on her knee,
you ain't gotta do
that
too much.
niggas gotta like skip past that shit. You know what I'm saying? You did all this work for shit niggas ain't gonna look at.
You know what I'm saying? You was eating box for 25 minutes with your butthole out in the air, pulsating.
Niggas is like skip. Then you jump to the next seat, you're like, all right, let me pull it back a little.
High speed scrubbing.
Yeah, this nigga really just eating box for 25 minutes? And you mad because the video itself is 35 minutes. He was like, yo,
my man.
It's not my jaw hurts.
Fuck.
God damn, get up, niggas.
Yeah, what you
You
doing?
a king, show some respect. Why you eating a box so heavy like that? What's wrong with you, man?
Yo.
Your kids is watching this.
Oh, shit.
It's eating box. And then when lesbian porn, they just be eating the box. You're like, there's no climax.
There's no...
They just eat box at the end. They're like, all right, good day, sir. Shake hands and walk away.
Like, when do I know?
I was like, to quote Whitney Houston, how do I know?
Yo, because it's like, regular Pinot, like, you know when the shit is over. When Shorty's just like rubbing her face on her, like rubbing her fingers on her face, like, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And you see that moment about if they're here for the check or they're here for that DAC.
Yeah.
If they're like, they got their tongue out, like, get it on me, or the ones that have like the nervous, shifty eyes, like
it's coming.
Tell me before it comes.
You're like,
Then it comes out there, like lean back, like it's acid, like
it's acid, B.
Then you got the freak ones, like put it in their mouth and spit in the air like LeBron and catch it in their butt. And like, shit, you going hard.
Shout out to them.
Shout out to them nasty.
Shout out to all my adult actresses going extra hard. You know what I'm saying? Winning awards.
Go hard in the paint. There's got to be Pinot stars out there that they're in the scene, and the scene is like maybe the co-worker's not bringing the heat.
Yeah.
And like, fuck, I got LeBron this shit. They go extra hard.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Jada Stevens. You know what I'm saying?
We need to, next week we're gonna do a tournament of Double XL does the top 10 freshman class. We're doing the freshman Pinot class.
Freshman Pinot class.
So if you listen, be sure to nominate them for the Bodega Boys Pinot class.
Freshman Pinot class.
Let's
get it.
Okay.
Does it have to be? Because remember when they put French Montana on the freshman class, and he wasn't really a freshman. He'd been in the game for like 8 years already. Do the same rules apply? Can you just pick your favorite Pinot store?
No, it has to be
less than 10 years old.
Relatively. Oh, less than 10 years old.
Less than 10 years.
Less than 5
years in the game.
Less than 5 years in the game. All right. Listen, don't bring no amateurs. If they're not opening up the peanut butter hole, if they're not doing anal, get them out of here. None of that. None of that tasteful nudes rolling around the oil like Drake's baby mama shit. Yeah, we gotta see the pink.
Yeah, no cam girls.
No cam girls. We got that real shit. We got that that nasty shit.
Yeah, no grainy shit.
No grainy shit. That good shit.
That 4K Ultra HD. I can see every pimple in your butthole.
Yeah. Oh, what's up, Ma? You got an outbreak today? I don't care. We still filming. Yeah. What does the winner get? I don't know. We come on the show or some shit. We go to your house.
Come on the show.
Get DP'd by. I don't know. We'll work it out.
Come on the show. Talk your shit.
Why we don't have like Bodega Boys porn?
We could.
We could have that shit. Like, you still got the chain on, you banging shit from the back. Got Tim's. I just got different sneakers on in every scene. He's like, wow, these never wear the same sneakers in any scene.
Yo,
nigga busting it up, opening some pair of Yeezys and shit.
There's the one nigga that always wears Tim's though. The fucking and knee pads. I'm like, damn, this nigga's ready. I'm like, yo, you doing carpentry? Or I'm gonna
take it to the next level. I'm gonna come through with the HIPAA filter. Like, yo, I'm like, yo, what's good? What's good?
Come through with a hazmat suit with the dick cut out.
What's up? Y'all got black mold in here? What's good? Yo, they said this setting was not hit. The setting was not built for fucking human. What do you call it?
Consumption?
Not consumption. What do you call it? You live in a place.
Habitation.
Yeah, fuck it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Nigga just I come in as like the fucking toxic mode inspector. I'm like, damn, bitch, you live like this?
You live like this?
Yeah.
I bought my little dog. He's gonna start you off.
They come with a canary in the cage, shit die. I'm like,
yeah,
What's up?
Yeah.
What's up? You like radon?
Bustin' wide.
What's up?
Do you have a suit for me? Nah, I got a fishnet body cat suit for you.
Those like some fashion over shit. Like, yeah. Bust it open, ma. Nasty shit. You know what I'm saying? This little Pinot for you on your Pinot on your Monday shit.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's a Monday. I hope that it should be by the time you listen to this, it should be a spicy Monday. You know, we have a lot of questions that we cannot answer. But just enjoy this podcast, my guys.
Yeah.
Everything, as my grandmother said at the grandfather's funeral, everything done in the dark eventually comes to the light.
Come to the light.
And I was like, what the fuck does that mean?
Yes, sir.
Are you looking at like his side chick? What's going on? Is someone going to fight? Are you going to hit that bitch with a parsnip? Yo, it's been your boy, Desus Nice, a.k.a. Desus, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket State Factory, a.k.a. Eli Lippy, Butcher Blue, Stubborn and Might Know You, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo.
Oh, yeah.
You know what that means. Mikhail Nova, 1994, Mikhail No, going off, the Juve boss, MC looking goopy, putting up for 40 with Shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Open Pool. I don't know you.
I don't know you, fam.
I don't know him.
I don't know you.
The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss. DJ Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pod, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Takuni without the coonery, a.k.a. Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K. Low K. Vice K. Makuzaka. 3 Phone Jones. DJ Machina. J. Chuckle. Stanley Cups. The Human Doctor. Bonders Label. Dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio. Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Ola, a.k.a. listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of head crack.
Wow.
Remember that guy?
My God.
Was he Redman's brother or some shit? He was in the back of the stores.
Yeah.
That shit was just always Human Wreck or some shit like that. I don't know.
Oh, man. Shout out to Screwball, too.
Hey, shut up. Fuck all you bitch ass niggas. The Curry Go. D Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew, the Moreno. You cannot contain no human memory. Word to Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budkos, Nelson Bandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the Human's Word, the Melting in Your Mouth, Mr. Bex on Deckerton, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris A. Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but like the cucumber. Juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, No More Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Over Cast Nova, the Really Makes Sense, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Forget the small change, give me big money. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, Cashmere Square, one top left, Man's Marv, True Rizzuto, Holy Cow. Mr. South Ponce, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D. David Yerman, Desus Spencer, Desus Red Bottoms, Desus Bloody Shoes, Smokeem Noah, Andrew Cool Nanny.
Yeah.
I'll kill you with no socks on. A.K.A. the Junior Energy God. Come sit down, palm me charger.
Sip on it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. Mr. Chopping out cheese with bad breezes like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. Lamina Meshmuna with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. A.K.A. you're a problematic bae. Jesus and dinosaurs lived at the same time. Mwah.
Wow. Those are facts. That's Kyrie Irving.
All facts.
It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Lab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader. I have the curb and hit your dog, nigga. Keep it moving. I don't care if it's a service animal. A.k.a. I don't fucking baby. I fucking man, my nigga. A.k.a. check the guest list again, my man. We passed this. I'm not comparing myself to nobody no more, man. I'm not stepping to the side while you check. And don't fucking call the promoter, nigga, because I'm on the fucking flyer, you dickhead. I'm not giving you $20 to get in there. Yo, we shooting the shit up, Als. We coming back and we shooting the shit up. Fuck that. A.K.A. CC Bathia, you know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I just went to fucking Louis Vuitton. I special ordered the Bodega Princess Louis diapers so she could stun on the gram and shit on you haters. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Ben Smack Beyonbo. A.K.A. Dick in your baby Mutombo, you know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now.
No more coming in the pussy.
No. That's
sorry. Your card's been declined for this pussy. So,
no.
Do you have another card?
No.
Or perhaps someone can give you
What is your goat balance?
Hold on, let me talk to the manager.
Exactly. Get the fuck out of here, this pussy's mine. Okay. A.K.A. Barlow Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crush the accord. A.K.A. the Dominican Dada, Tankman Daddy, A.K.A. Sweat my God again, there's definitely money on that motherfucker. Put plastic bag on that shit, motherfucker, you're embarrassing both of us! You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Romeo Santos, so Zanny, let me find out. Yo, I blacked out in my brunch boots at the United Palace, yo. Somebody stole my shit. We're gonna go on a mission to find them. Coming to theaters August 5th. A.K.A. Light Nell Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got five. And the last time I smoked a blunt with you, my nigga, you put some weird black shit in there, and it made my legs feel really heavy, and it made me tear one of my eyeballs out. So I'm not smoking with you no more. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. AKA Feel the Ass Sex. AKA Frank and Messi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? The World Cup is lit, and my man's gonna do work. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zaniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you.
He dares you
to smoke with me.
Smoke with him.
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying?
You know
what I'm saying? And if you don't, nigga, I'm going to be doing donuts in that bitch in the minivan. You seen the video. AKA. Ben Boston. I will replace your tongue with a butane torch so you can actually spit hot fire because I clicked your SoundCloud link. And Candy, what do you think about it? That shit is trash. Basura. AKA, I open your fucking medicine cabinet. You know who it is, boy. The Zen Man. It's kind of a AKA Rico Sarosa. AKA Baby Newport niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Branch to cut it down. AKA live from Western Union on 170th Street, opening the door for Mayor Change. It's your boy, the East Tremont CVB, doing all his hits. Like, I wanna be the one your DD is fucking. What? And Dope Sick Love. Come back to me. You know what I'm saying? AKA. Hey, mate, a lot of you listening to this stuff, I don't know, things called grime. Yeah, it's listening to people called gigs and Stormzy and such. The real fucking rock stars have been left in the dust, but I'm here to bring them back. You know what it is? It's the plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, wandering on Dykeman with Molly in my butt. You know what I'm saying?
His jail wallet.
You know what I'm saying? My jail wallet. You know what I'm saying? We out here. You know what I'm saying? Pull it up from 40. It's your boy, Barmelos Anthony.
For 3.
Bang! I'm averaging 10 points a game. God damn, what happened to me? If you see me at Target sitting a crisscross applesauce, eating Nutella with my fingers, approach me like a motherfucker Ursa mammal, especially from my motherfucking Cubs, nigga, I may react erratically. You know what I'm saying? AKA I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off crushed up Flintstones vitamins and Downy. Talk about my mouth would drip when I talk. My mouth would drip when I talk. My mouth would drip when I talk. Yo, Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. ¿Qué lo que? Dime a ver, malocorita. Llegó el hijo Titi FIFA, más duro de todo. Coño, matando la liga. No me suba en una tarima. Loco. Oye, entiende. Entiende, lo voy a decir a paso para que tú lo entiendas. Yo no me subo a una tarima por menos de 100,000 cañas, ¿oíste? Así que ponte claro, if you confundido with me, my nigga. Yo ando buscando la funda para darle comida y pedales heavy a mi muchacho. Chapi, váyase de ahí, coño. Episode 114, nigga, you heard me?
You know, just shout the Square Cash, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Square Cash in the building.
We got some more stuff coming on. You know what I'm saying? Look out for the bull.
Big
the brand
things.
is strong. Big things is going on.
You know what I'm saying?
And don't be sad. Things is over. Like they say, everything is fine now. We got some big things coming up in the future. We can't talk about now, but you know what it is? The brand still remains strong. Don't worry about this. The podcast been here. We ain't going nowhere. Like they said, take that.
Take that. We on HGH, nigga. We both wearing size 10 fitteds. Holla.
You know what I'm saying? We'll be back next week. You know what it is. Until then, episode 114 live from Red Bull Studios. Be out.
You heard? Grr.
Holla.